All right, guys, if you're looking for a really great shower mirror so you can shave in the shower, this one is travel friendly. This one by HONEYBULL is a really great. It's anti-fogging, has this really strong suction cup on the back. If you have a flat surface on your shower, you can just stick it to there, and it's got this little twisting lock right there, and then you can feel that click, and look, oh, I'm spilling my drink over there. It does not come off. It is great suction. I did drop it in the shower when I was trying to install it the first time, so I did get a little crack on this acrylic part, but the mirror is unharmed and unfazed. It has this really nice holder right here for your razors. It has a ball joint on the back so you can adjust it however you want it, and you can close it up really nice and small so that you can travel with it. So if you don't have any smooth glass or smooth tile, this doesn't stick as well, but they come with these little pieces here where you can actually attach this to your wall, and then that will suction to this piece. Makes it a lot easier. I'm very impressed with this mirror. My husband loves it. It makes everything so much easier on him, and there is a way less mess on the counter for me to clean up after he shaves because he does it in the shower. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to put the link for it down in the description below.